DCN. DCN invented the first Korean equipment of gravure offset printing, the roll printer, in 2007, and it develops a number of printing process equipment. It is willing to move forward as a specialized company in the electronic printing industry. DCN has accumulated various technological strategies through developing various printing process equipment, and based on those techniques, it produces equipment for laboratory, pilot, and mass production with the R2R continuous process system. Lab Slot Die Coater. This is slot die coater, which is highly cost-effective and made up of small components for convenient use in laboratories. This is an experimental equipment designed for the sheet-type coating process, and it performs a slot die unit process. It is designed to adjust the height of slot die by the unit of 1 micrometer in order to increase the uniformity of the thickness in a thin film coating. By minimizing the size of the slot die, it is possible to perform repeatable experiments with minimal loss of material. Lab R2R Coater. This is a small-sized roll-to-roll equipment specifically made for laboratories. It can perform a continuous processing of slot die coating while significantly reducing the loss of materials. The data from practical and reproducible continuous process tests make it possible to perform the feasibility test for process design. The standard specification is equipped with the high temperature of hot air dryer modules in max 150 degrees Celsius, but you can select various options of drying modules based drying methods. Table Slot Die Coater. For the experimental equipment for a sheet-type coating process, you can select among slot die, bar, and doctor blade for processing. To increase the uniformity of thickness, a micro-stepping motor, which is able to control the height by 1 micrometer, is applied. With its data management by recipe function, the table slot die coater is suitable for repeatable experiments, which has reproducibility, and it is provided with syringe pumps, which provides the added benefit of precise flow control. To minimize vibration and precise speed and position control, the linear servo stage is equipped. Modules such as the NIR lamp, UV lamp, or hot plate can be chosen depending on the coating material and condition. One-layer R2R coating system. This equipment can be used with slot die, microgravure, comma, and gap. A web transport system that performs both tension control and speed synchronization is applied. To ensure visibility of metal mesh, there is a cross-sectional coating system which is capable of 5 micrometer fine patterning. It controls coating thickness easily through adjusting flow and the height of slot die. You can select the type of dryer depending on the coating material and conditions. Through Rewinder's tension control, speed control, meander control, it is able to coil the product completely. Double-sided R2R coating system. It processes microgravure double-sided coating and slot die single-sided coating, and a 2-layer superimposed coating process is available which performs microgravure coating after slot die coating process. It can be applied to various kinds of film such as PET, PI film, and copper foil through precise tension control. For the thin film, it achieves high performance of stable meander control through web alignment system. By synchronizing the speed of all motor shaft and achieving the precise control of microgravure roll speed, it is able to do uniformed coating. It is designed for double-sided microgravure coating process and slot die coating process transformation. The maximum temperature of the hot air dyeing module is 200 degrees Celsius, and the maximum temperature of the IR ceramic heater module is 300 degrees Celsius. The Rewinder module can be fully coiled. DCN will endeavor to become the best company in the field of printing electronic process equipment through constant development of technology and innovation. Development, creation, nanotechnology, intelligent for R2R coating solution.